Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find for all the crafting enthusiasts out there. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality interfacing for your sewing projects, you've stumbled upon the best iron-on interfacing lightweight option available on the market. The PLANTIONAL Lightweight White Iron-on Non-Woven Fusible Interfacing. This interfacing comes in generous dimensions, measuring 11.6 inches wide and a whopping 30 yards long, making it an excellent value for your crafting needs. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or just starting, having enough interfacing at your fingertips can make all the difference in your projects. Now, let's talk about its features. Made from durable non-woven material, this interfacing is crafted from high-quality polyester, offering exceptional stability and support for a variety of fabrics. What does this mean for you? It means your creations will not only look great but will also hold their shape beautifully over time. The real magic happens when you apply it. The heat-activated adhesive is a game-changer. Simply grab your iron, activate the adhesive, and you'll have a secure bond with minimal effort. This process is not only straightforward but also incredibly efficient, saving you time on your projects. Versatility is another standout quality of this interfacing. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, from clothing to crafts and home decor. Need to reinforce collars, cuffs, or various craft items? This interfacing is your go-to solution. Plus, it's designed to withstand regular washing, ensuring that your projects maintain their shape and adhesive strength, no matter how many times they go through the wash. So, whether you're working on garments, home decor, or fun craft projects, the PLANTIONAL Lightweight White Iron-on Non-Woven Fusible Interfacing is the perfect companion to help elevate your creations. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get your own roll of this amazing interfacing. Make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and tips on the best crafting supplies out there. Happy crafting, and we'll see you in the next video.